Hi, glad to announce you that IIBS partners with Bloomberg for cutting-edge financial education. International Institute of Business Studies is proud to announce its strategic collaboration with Bloomberg, the global leader in financial data, analytic and marketing intelligence. This partnership brings world-class financial learning to IIBS students, equipping them with industrial relevant skills and hands-on experience using the Bloomberg Terminal, a tool used by top global banks, investment firms, and corporations. Key benefits for IIBS students: access to Bloomberg Terminal for real-time financial data, analytics, and global marketing insights. Industrial recognized certification from Bloomberg. Enhanced career prospect in finance, investment, banking, risk management and analytics. Live market stimulations and hands-on training, bridging the gap between classrooms, learning and real-world financial decision-making. Enhanced placement opportunities with global financial firms seeking candidates with Bloomberg expertise. With this Bloomberg partnership, IIBS reinforces its commitments to providing future-ready business education, ensure that our students guarantee with competitive edge in the financial sector. Thank you.